Alright, so I just got a delivery from Amazon. I got these Rubbermaid Easy Find lid containers, and I was trying to replace some broken ones that I had, some old ones. And as soon as I picked it up, it felt like it was much lighter. So let's weigh one of the new ones here. Let's see what we got. We have 68 grams. Now let's grab an old one. Look at that. 147 grams. So there's actually more than twice as much material in that one. And then let's grab another one that's not as old as that one, but still old. So we got 90 grams. 90 grams. New one, which feels like a Chinese potato, 70 grams. And the oldest one, 147 grams. It never ends. What's next? Tissue paper? Yep. Crappy product.